So we're gonna start with joints. So the two different types of joints we have, the main joints, the ones that we're gonna worry about the most or deal with the most, are gonna be the ball and socket joint and the hinge joint. That video we just saw talked about both of them. Who can remember or who knows where I can find a ball and socket joint on the body? Right here, shoulders, right? What about the other one, the other location? The hips. That's pretty much the only two spots. And the ball and socket joint, I would write down next to it, it allows for the most range of motion. I can move it like this, up and around, to where like this is a hinge joint, there's only one direction like a door, all right? That's the difference, ball and socket versus your hinge joint. All right, so one more time, ball and socket. Here where the extremities meet the trunk of the body, and your hinge joints, you have a lot of hinge joints. Your fingers are hinge joints. See how they only open in one direction? So those are hinge joints. Your arms, elbows, knees, those are hinge joints. I'll give you guys a second to take this and then keep going. Alright, like I said, it's gonna be posted, so if you miss anything, you guys can go back and just take your notes if you want to take your notes.